In this episode, we're going to go step by step on how you're going to set up your computer to edit HTML code. Okay, so first you're going to have to install VS Code. VS Code is completely free and you can use it to edit any kind of HTML code as well as any other programming languages you want. There's a lot of extensions in it that you can use and I'll be going through that as well. After you're done installing VS Code, simply open it up. Now you're gonna see this at the beginning. What you're gonna do is you're gonna install a few extensions to make it easier to edit HTML code. So click this icon right here. Now these are some of the extensions I already have in my PC. What you're going to do is install an extension called Live Server. What this does is every time you write code in your text editor, it will automatically update it in the browser. So it makes life a lot easier. There's a lot of other extensions you can use on VS Code and I'll try to link a few of them in the description below.